how to make Heartbreak in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. Let's combine earth plus water, and we have plant. Plant plus wind, we have dandelion. Dandelion plus water, we have wine. Wine plus water, we have holy water. Holy water plus fire, we have vampire. Right now, wine plus fire, we have smoke. Smoke plus water, we have fog. Earth plus wind, we have dust. Dust plus earth, we have planet. Planet plus fog, we have Venus. And right now, water plus fire, we have steam. Steam plus Venus, we have life. Life plus vampire, we have death. Venus plus fog, let me see, wait a second. Venus. Fog. And we have love. And right now, love plus death, we have heartbreak. So that's it the video, guys. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.